guys, today I'm going to share with you my hair routine. So my hair routine is a part of a self-care, right? Oh yes, I'm gonna share it with you right now. Yes, as you can see, I have three curly hair, the type 3B, maybe, I don't know. Yes. So yeah, I wash my hair once a week, and I washed my hair last Monday. So here we are. So I am only using two products to wash my hair. So I'm using Malagasy brand products, Mousseux and Mandam. Mousseux Mandam. I'm sorry, it's Mousseux Mandam. And yes, I'm only using this. So this is solid shampoo, and this one I use it as leave-in and mask at the same time, as conditioner and leave-in at the same time, right? So yeah, I'm just using these two to take care of my hair. This conditioner is best of hydrolat d'ortie and almond oil. Yes, so this is for this solid shampoo is for colored hair. Yeah, it looks weird, but it works. It works. Yeah, so I've already washed my hair, so now I'm going to apply the conditioner and leave it on my hair. Okay, so I will put it in my hair by section, so all my hair can have the right amount of conditioner that it deserves. Okay. Okay, so now I realized that I'd better brush my hair directly where I put my conditioner. So So yes, I have to do it right now. Okay, so I am using this brush, this kind of brush to brush my hair. Yeah, I don't have some specific ways to brush it. Honestly, I'm doing it as it was. Yes, as you can see, my hair is curling directly after I brush it. So yeah. So I brush section per section. That's why the beads look like. That's why there is a lot of hair loss. Yes. But it's normal. It's normal because I don't brush my hair So that's all for this video. This is how I wash my hair and how I take care of my curly hair. So yeah, so if this kind of video interests you, feel free to tell me in comment, and I will try to do kind of video like this. Yes, so I am sorry for the imperfection, my English, and everything. But I'm trying to perform my English, my way of filming, editing, and my shininess through the camera. So yes. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Bye.